least 70-80% of people are out of shape. My mindset is I know they don't want to be out of shape. They don't.
20% of us
are in shape. Yeah, exactly. They say you're more likely to have $1 million than have a six pack right now.
But anyways, I be trying to tell niggas it's just not a. Yeah, you'll be motivated when you first start seeing some shit or see somebody do it, but you have to want to do it. And then it's like discipline, like, why are you doing this? Like, I had this talk with myself. I'm like, damn, I go so hard, but why are you going so hard? Most niggas aren't competing. Most niggas aren't really doing much with it, but it's like, you got to take a look at yourself and just give yourself a why. Why do I go so hard? I go hard because it's like, make yourself an interesting human. Like, most people don't do shit. Everybody just goes to work.
Right.
And go back home. That's it. That's your day. So like, nigga, I just went to go to the gym. I just did some planches. I did some front levers.
Yeah.
I just did this wild shit today. Like, you know, have stories to tell.
So you just do it. So your main fuel is because you want to be different. You want to be different.
Yeah, I want to stand out. I want to do things that no one's doing. And I always ask people the question: who do you know is doing this shit?
Yeah.
Name me 5 people that you know personally, not Instagram. I'm talking about you talk to niggas like this. Yo, what's good, bro? How you doing today? Like, you see these niggas every day, but most niggas don't, because they watching Instagram, they on the internet. I say it all the time, if you ain't seen it in real life, you ain't seen shit. You just seeing it on your phone. Right. Get outside and come see a nigga do it for real.
Yeah.
That's how you gotta give it up.
Because they know how to, I think people, for the most part, they know how to do a push-up. They know how to
drink
well. They know.
Everybody knows, bro. Everybody knows.
But it's a mindset, right?
Yeah, everybody knows.
Yeah.
They ask the questions, but nigga, you know what to do. You go run. Go do some burpees. Get up. Move more. It's not even really the diet. People just don't move enough. Look at niggas in prison. They not eating healthy. Niggas eating shit. And they still in the box hitting reps every day because they not trying to just be sitting down. And they ain't got no choice but to do that shit. So it's like, niggas just suck for real, honestly.
So it's crazy. So my way of thinking is like, they don't want to be big. Of course, they act like I want to be this way. What could be the driving force of them to start working out and want to do it other than just, I just want to look a certain way? Because some people, they have a long-term, goal, marathon.
Think about it. It makes you a better human. Why wouldn't you want to be better? Everybody talks about being better. That's one way to get better.
Yeah.
Like, you're in shape, nigga. You look better. If I wake up in the morning, I don't be like, damn, I look like shit. I gotta go to work now. I gotta go to my shit job now. Now you just started your day off right. But if you started looking better, you started noticing some games. Oh shit, yeah. It's a mood thing. How you feel is how your day is. If I wake up all shitty and shit, that my day might be shitty. But if I'm like, oh man, sexy. Let's go. Put these clothes on, go to work. Oh, how you doing, miss? You feel better now. Yeah. Things start working out for you. Then you start going to the gym more. You start going to work more. You start getting your bread. Like, it's a mood thing. You don't feel good, so you're not gonna want to do things. You're not gonna want to get shit done. It's how you feel about yourself. It's an inner thing. It's always inner, bro. Everything we chase is a feeling. Just like doing your first rep, I want to know what it feels like to do a pull-up. Yes. People are chasing that feeling every day. You just got your new business. You just got your new car. You just hit $1 million. We're chasing a feeling, bro. You're chasing a feeling.
Call it seeing whose day I can make awkward sharks a whole nother conference.